Okay, guys, today we are going to connect our Steam Deck to our MetaQuest 3. Now, excuse the lighting situation. I turn the lights on as much as I can, but it's currently nighttime right now. So for this to work, we will be going to the Meta Horizon store, okay? And what we want to do is search for a specific app. Now, we already have the app in our library. You might be able to just find it in the library. I don't know. But if not, I guess you can try searching for it and seeing if you find it. And it's called Steam Link. Okay. So what you'll want is Steam Link. Like I said, try to look for it in your library. If it's not, you should be able to download it from the Meta store. And the thing about Steam Link is it will detect actual Steam now. Yes, it will detect the Steam Deck. So it's installed now. Let's go ahead and run it. Hit allow so it can find nearby stuff. Now it finds stuff that's on the same network as you, okay? Now right now it's just saying that streaming VR isn't available, but regular connecting it as controller. But connecting it as controller will do. And then we just go into that and look, we have a fully immersive thing. And we are able to play games. This is our library right now. Now, the only downside with this, I would tell you guys, is that it gets a little dark when trying to view stuff on the screen because the Steam Deck screen actually goes dark while, yeah. Now, we can, there's other games as well, like Slime Rancher 2. We can check that out, right? Yeah, we can check that out perfectly fine. Slime Rancher 2. Let's go. It's loading up right now. And yeah, this is just very cool. I'm just showing you guys how it is. And we're playing it in full screen mode. And remember, we're playing this on our Meta Quest 3. Okay? Now, this will granted also work on the Meta Quest 3S as well. And remember, this is actually wireless. It's running wireless, okay? Okay, it looks like it's running all of its stuff for, it has everything the best for the Steam Deck, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it has its own Steam Deck settings. We're gonna continue because I don't know if you guys know this, but Steam Deck updated a feature. So now they have a certain feature that makes it so it leaves where you left off. Okay, wait, I don't remember if there can be like any nightmare slime, because if there are, then the nightmare slime are gonna come and be on nightmare. No, I don't remember where my house is. I don't remember where my house is. That sounds so weird. Okay, okay. Please tell me that no nightmare slime, because if there are, then it's a whole nightmare. Okay, so those slimes are, it's like I left them off to do whatever. I don't remember leaving them off to do whatever. Did they continue to do stuff while I was offline? Because I'll be honest, I've been offline for a long time in this game, but I don't remember the game being able to continue while you're offline. I'll be honest, it feels like I'm playing it on PC. I know how weird that sounds because essentially you'd think the Steam Deck version is just a PC version, but this is crazy. I'm playing it on a big screen in virtual reality. Okay? It it's pretty awesome. I'm just using the Steam Deck as a controller casually, and this is the touchpad that I'm using on the Steam Deck in case you wonder how I'm rotating so fast. But you can also rotate using the thumbstick like normal as well. Do I have... Okay, I think I have enough that I need to make higher walls. I don't have enough to make higher walls. I need 20 more. Okay, time to go out and get some more. Okay, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think I wanted it to be a casual experience. So I made it so that no nightmare slimes for this one. Which, if I did, good on me, man. Good on me. Yeah. Okay. Any nightmare slimes? By nightmare slimes, I mean tar slimes. Okay. They're the slimes of my nightmare. Yeah. Yeah, I think I made it. So, okay. There definitely would be some tar slimes by now, if those did exist. Either that or I'm getting extremely lucky. Wow, I don't know if it's because it's nighttime in real life too, but yeah, as I'm recording this, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, okay, come on. Just need 20 more and then get the thing. Then I can call it a game and then I can end the video. Because this is just supposed to be me showing off the power of the, Steam Deck and the MetaQuest 3 together. This wasn't supposed to be me actually playing Lime Rancher 2. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to be. Okay, higher walls. Yep, we did do higher walls. That's good. Now, if you would be so kind to get back in there, that would be awesome. Okay, we do gotta feed them though. What did they eat again? They probably eat chickens, right? Okay. Now, you're a hen. I mean, I guess they could eat you as well, technically. Okay, we're ending it here. We're ending it here. We get way too wrapped up into this. We are going to save and quit, okay? Save and quit, save and quit. Okay, and I'm going to end off here, okay? That was brilliant, right? And remember, this is still the meta quest. So we can exit pass through, we can exit theater mode, and this is still the meta quest 3, guys. This is still this. we are still playing it. The only reason I even was in pass-through mode, because, now I can't exactly see my Steam Deck, but I can feel it still there. But yeah, this is crazy. And we could still move like, say we need to move this, we could still move it like normal. That's crazy. And when we're done, we can just close it. Just like normal. And yeah, I'm going to end it off here, guys. I am going to end it off here. And we will just connect to your closest device. It will try, it will ask, hey, do you want to connect to your computer running Steam? Or do you want to connect to your Steam Deck? If your Steam Deck is on and on the same local network, okay? It's very important that it's on the same local network. And it does it wirelessly. Wirelessly, okay? So yeah, I'm going to end it off here. This was a very fun experience. Hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.